Hey there, welcome to you in this tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook incorrect thumbnail issue in your WordPress website. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you are facing problem and your website image broken when you share any link or your website link in Facebook by a messenger. So this tutorial will be very easy for you and you can solve this without any technical skill. So let's get started. So this is my website ecommerces.com and I want to share this website link with my friends, others audience by Facebook or messenger, but when I share this, the problem is that the image not show properly or become broken or show different image that actually I not wanted in share. So how I can check this the problem? So I'm just going to copy this URL and going to check in Facebook sharing debugger and paste my URL here and click on the debugger. So here the warning that should be fixed and current preview that there is no image when I share this one. So now I am going to fix that. So first of all I'm going to log in my website dashboard, WP admin, and going to now click on the Yoast SEO. Then click on the social, now click on the Facebook, and here I have to upload default image. So I'm going to click on the upload image. So I have selected my image and click on the use this one. Okay, then click on the save change. Also I need to add my Facebook app ID, and if you have created any app then you can find here my apps. So I have created an apps previously, so going to click on the my apps. I have created different type of apps. So here is my app ID and I have copied this one, and now going to paste this app ID here, click save change. So we are done in here. Now we have to go to the home page, and as we wanted to see the preview our home page from our home page, now going to click on the edit page. Now going to scroll down in the Yoast SEO section and click on the social. Here I have to select image. So I am going to select image again. I am going to select my image. You can select anyone relevant to your website and click on the update. So we have almost done. Now going to copy this link, my website link, and check my website by debugger. So going to paste URL and click on the debug. Okay, so now it's not showing the same problem. So to solve this we need another plugin for clear cache. So we are going to use WP super cache. Copy this one and going to dashboard, add new plugin, search this one WS super cache, install this now. Click activate. Now click on the delete cache. Okay, now going to debug checking. Debug now. It's not solved, but maybe problem in the cookies. So I'm going to share this link by Facebook with anyone, then I can see the right result right now. For example, I wanted to share this one here. Okay, that is not fixed yet, and we have to do another things. This is will be final step. So I'm going to visit my website, click on the edit page. Now going to set the picture image, then we hope that will work. So I'm going to set the pictured image, update. Now going to check it by another browser, Mozilla. Wow, that has been work right now. So I hope you understand how I have fixed this one. So this will be better if you use any good image here instead of profile picture. For example, we can use a different type image, social, refresh image. We can select this one for better result. Update. Now we can rescan. Wow. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful and solve your problem, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I am level 2 seller, expert in web design, WordPress, Shopify, Kajabi. You can buy any service relevant to your business or your need. Instant WordPress support, Elementor Pro support, Shopify developer, DB team expert, virtual assistant, Kajabi, on-page SEO,